Hello everyone, this is a short video on how I treat my birds for scaly face mites, especially the newcomers. This is what I use, Avimec by Vetafarm. Its active ingredient is ivermectin. This one's a spot on. So basically I just open up, I have a little pipette. All I need is a drop, so I make sure I squeeze out as much as possible until there's a drop to avoid any overdosage. Okay, so I got my drop ready in there. So next is to get the bird. Might be a bit loud and noisy, but this is how we do it. Come on, buddy. You're okay. Oh, this is the hardest part for me. Okay, you'll scream for a little bit. There we go. So I grab the bird to make sure nice and firm grip so he doesn't get out, and so I can have access to the back of his head. I give a bit of a blow so I can get to his skin, and then I go drop, and then put the bird back. Easy peasy.